First quarter.
Saan sa atin yan? Oh, galing-galing mo talaga. Tama lang ba yung dito natin tambakan ng mga ba?
Wala agad.
Tangin na, dumating yung malamig. Di makatakbo si Densyo, dito lang. Syo, dito lang. Densyo, nagbra ka naman sana muna. Densyo, magbra ka muna. Pato, pato. Sikuin mo na par, sikuin mo na par. Okay. Dito, dito, Felix.
Bakit kasama ako?
Densyo. Si Felix. Felix, wala naggugulo kanina. Felix eh! Sumikit ito! Felix talaga din siya. Wala naggulo kanina.
Takay na tumama sa pa ako, nagulat ako.
Hindi ba may video? Paulit natin. Rebound! Easy lang, easy lang, easy lang!
Ball of troopers.
Ikot bola, ikot bola! Nice shot! Nice one!
Basket. Number 4.
Paulo! Densyo foul!
Rebound by
Densyo foul!
Roderick. Well of the ball.
Traveling Densyo!
For 2 points.
Densyo tawag ng traveling tsaka foul.
Utang na mo, ikaw tumawag dito, gago ka.
Number 4. Tumira. No basket. Rebound by. Number 4 again.
Nice one, nice one!
2 points.
Nice one!
Troopers.
Ay, habang mga yan.
2-all. All 2. Arnel by Sertos. Back to Arnel. Arnel for 3. Basket. 3 points by Arnel. Score 5-2 in the favor of VIP. Lakay. Get of the ball to number 4. For 3, no basket. Rebound by Palo to Hawin. Get up to Sertos for 2. 2 points by Sertos. Hindi ako marunong eh.
Lagay. Hanap na muna ito. Nice one, nice one.
2 points. 7-4 in the favor of VIP. Hawin. Back to Hawin, to Arnel. Arnel tumira ng 3 points, no basket.
Wala, pasa! Si 7 minutes, 28 seconds.
Viper ko lang nabalik.
Ha?
Wala na, dito sa lang.
7-4 in the favor of Troopers. Ay, VIP pala, sorry, VIP. Number 16, tumira. Basket, rebound by Palo. Tulakay. Lakay, lumusot, tumira. No basket, rebound by Palo. Palo to Roderick. Roderick, pinakita. Number 16, Toshek. No basket, rebound by Palo. Palo again. To Sertons, tumira. 2 points by Sertons. 9-4. Remaining time, 6 minutes and 38 seconds for the end of the first quarter. Lakay to number 16. No basket. Number 17. Rebound by Arnel. Get up the ball to Sertons to Roderick. Roderick 2 points.
Committee timeout.
Committee timeout.
Apelido ni ano, Linwell. Apelido to ni Linwell.
Ay, napahinto.
6 minutes and 10 seconds.
Sabay!
Bigyan nyo na yung isang bola dito.
Wala sa closers.
Dami.
Napakaingay naman nito.
Sa kanila yung score lahat. Sa kanila ko ng bola.
Ball down. Papalo lang ako ah.
Napapatingin din si Dencho. Tulog din si Dencho eh.
Hoy, likod!
Atlet. Bound by number 23.
Ano may bola ba?
Dos!
Pinasa kay Lakay.
15
Lakay bila the ball. To number 4, Sacramento. Bila the ball. Rebound by Hawil. Hawil bila the ball. Hawil for 2 basket.
Score 11-4.
Number 17, bila the ball. Lumusot. Nakagaw ni Palo. To Hawil. Hawil for 2. No basket. Rebound by Lakay. Lakay. Bila the ball.
Dos!
Lakay tumira ng 3. Basket! 3 points by Lakay! Palo. Bila the ball. To Hawil. To Serton. Back to Palo. To Arnel. Arnel 2 points. Score 15-7 in the favor of PAP.
Nice one.
2 points by number 7. Hawil build up the ball to Sir Jones. Back to Hawil.
Rushing ka bukas.
Boss! Right decision po tayo. Bawal lumakal pa.
Left rushing. Last 4 minutes and 5 seconds.
Lakay to number 23. Rebound by Hawil. Hawil for 2 basket. Nakuha na number 23.
Ka talaga, Felix!
To Arnel. Nagaw ni Arnel. Arnel for 2. No basket. Pass by Hawil. Pass by Arnel. Foul.
Not counted. Sus!
Technical mo!
Sus! Hoy! Isi ka lang ha? Isi ka lang.
For 23, build up the ball. For 2, no basket. Fouled by Arnel. Arnel, build up the ball. For 2, no basket. Rebound by number 7. Oh, nasa kay number 23. Pinasa kay number 17. Number 17, tinira, no basket. Nakuha ni Palo. Papahanap na pa na. Lasan.
Nice one! Kanila!
Last ball. Mula sa Clippers. Last 3 minutes and 2 seconds. Remaining time.
Lakay. To number 4, tumira, no basket. Roderick.
Diretso na rin! Isa lang naman mas, di ba?
Build up the ball to Hawil. Hawil.
10 seconds at clock.
Pinasa kay Palo for 2, no basket. Rebound by number 7. Pinasa ka number 23. Lakay. Build up the ball.
Stand to shoot!
Time to shoot.
9, 8.
No basket. Foul.
Technical agad po, nagreklamo.
Foul by Roderick. Lakay.
Laban na yan.
To number 17.
Last 2 minutes and 10 seconds.
Nasa kay number 4. Tumira, no basket. Rebound by Pato.
Kulang sa TIT.
TIT ball. Score 15-9 in the favor of TIT.
Last 2 minutes and 1 second.
Hawin, build up the ball. Substitution. Lakay out, Mark in.
Huwag kang tumawag pag live ball.
Sirton. Hawin, block to Sirton. Sirton, tumira ng 3. Basket! 3 points by Sirton!
Nakalabang score. 18-9. Favor of TIT.
Sir Mark.
Last 1 minute
The
and
ball.
30
Number
seconds.
17. Number 17. Naman ang binalik kay Sir Mark. Sir Mark to back to 17. Back to the Sir Mark again. 17 again. Tumira back. Number 23. Basket. 2 points by number 23.
Natatakot tumira yung kabila.
Score 11-18. Favor of TIT. Last 1 minute and 13 seconds. Remaining time.
Galit na galit mamasa mo. May ka mapagmamahal, Penny, para masalo. Oh, likod!
Sir Mark. Naghahanap ng pabasa.
15 seconds pa.
23. Number 4. 2 points.
Last 1 minute.
Sir, Tor, naghahanap ng basahan.
Ganon.
Pinasa kay Hawin. Pinasa kay Roderick. Roderick, 2 points.
Ganon. Matapos.
35 seconds.
Ang score natin mga tuto kung mga inday by take of 3 seconds.
2 points. Last 25 seconds.
Last 25 seconds for the end of the first quarter.
Nice rep!
Nice ball!
Last 18 seconds.
Tramili,
Well,
Sir Mark.
15 seconds!
14, 13, 12, 11,
Pera, 2 points by number
9
7.
seconds.
3,
2, 1.
bilang ng ball mo, pinintay mo.
20 score 20-17 in the favor of TIT for the end of the first quarter.
Kasatang mga yabang yun, labas nyo.
Score by Troopers.
Okay, second quarter.
Pinasa ka number 10. Bakit?
Nakuha ni Talo, palo ngayon.
Palo.
Nasa kanya level.
Sertons for 2 points. 2 points by Sertons.
Yan na.
Nagbasar to number 10. Agaw ni Palo. Pinasa kay Hawin. Hawin for 2. Basket. 2 points by Hawin. Time out by Troopers.
Sabi ko sa mga ito, pag-trap na sila eh. No?
Remaining time.
Kinakabahan na.
Hindi lang yung siya. Mark, naghahanap ng mabasahan. To number 10. And then to number 4. 2 points by number 4.
Bar, tira na bar!
Score 24-19.
Din siya, taas kamay lang yun oh!
Foul.
Wow.
Taas kamay.
Ball by Nagbasahan.
Captain ball! Kaya! Captain ball!
Kumitin ako. Captain ball sa
Norbasar ba? Captain ball! Walang pangalan? Hindi nakalista si Nurbasar.
Sino ba saan hindi nakalista?
Lista nyo na.
Pero sinigangan dito ba? Pangalan ba?
Hindi, mamaya. Saglit.
Walang pangalan ba?
Saglit lang.
Nakita natin.
Wala na sa listahan eh.
Albasar.
O sige, okay na daw. Sige, okay na daw. Kaya ano ba? Kabila eh. Ano yun?
Albasar daw.
Ano yun, Brad? Sino hindi nakalista?
Albasar. Albasar. Yung matagal.
Hindi, si Anja yan. Anja. Anja. Wala kasi nga pinito sa likod pa.
Wala kasing uniform.
Wala number sa uniform.
Okay na.
Lastro.
Warning. Pasok yun.
One point.
O yan na, magtatrap na yung mga gunggong ba? Pwesto na. Dikit, lapit.
Number 4. Agaw ni Palo. Palo tumira. Basket.
Palo, ano ba?
Sir Dons tumira. Basket again.
Palo.
Palo again. To number 11. Number 11 tumira.
Okay!
Traveling!
Let's go! Nice call, Denso!
Last 8 minutes and 35 seconds.
Sir Mark tumira. No basket. Rebound by Nurbasar. Rebound by number 11. Awin. To Sir Dons for 2 points. Basket. Score 27-19 in the favor of DIT. Sir Mark. Give up the ball for 2 points. No basket. Number 11 to Sir Dons. To Hawil Maluwag for 2 points. Basket. 2 points by Hawil.
Time out!
2 points.
Second quarter na! Mawa ba kayo?
46 seconds.
Score 31-19 in the favor of BIT. Bola ng Troopers, number 23. To number... Rebound by Arnel. Arnel, build up the ball.
Nice one!
Nakuha ni number 23. Lakay for 2. No basket. Rebound by Chris. Nakuha ni number
Hindi, kaya mo yun. Serna lang yan.
20.
Nice one!
Basket by Lakay.
Nice basket.
31-21. Number 11. Naghanap.
Back to back in! Nice one!
Troopers, go.
Okay, tao-tao. Hindi sila marunong mag-dribble din.
Last 6 minutes and 56 seconds.
Coach, ang layo mo yata, Coach.
Number 7. Pinasa ka number 23. 23.
Tira lakay.
Lakay for 3.
Isang po ang bola.
No basket. Rebound by number 11 to Chris.
Bantayan nyo na, titira ng tasagat yan.
Chris to Arnel.
15 seconds of the clock.
Arnel. Lumusot. Pinasa. 4.
Pito.
8 seconds.
8 seconds.
Remaining time 6 minutes and 22 seconds for the end of the second quarter.
31-21 in favor of TIT.
Number 15, tumira. No basket. Nakuha niya number 15.
Dalawa sila. 14 seconds.
13 second shot clock. Lakay. Lakay, give up the ball.
Crossing ko lang po.
Lakay,
Crossing.
binasa kay number 23, tumira. Tubas na agaw ni Arnel. Arnel, give up the ball. Pinasok, 2 points by Arnel.
33-21 in favor of TIT. That's 5 minutes and 35 seconds.
Number 15, foul.
Yung alam ko, sira na yung pito mo.
Aldos.
12 seconds shot clock.
Bola.
Reverse ball.
12 seconds shot clock. 7, 10, 9, 8,
Number 7. No basket. Rebound by number 15.
8 seconds!
Pinasa kay number 17. Ginawa na yung Arnel for 2 points. May Arnel.
35-21.
Wala pa. Anong percent?
Wala pa daw penalty. Foul daw number 15 daw. Okay.
18 seconds shot clock.
18 seconds shot clock.
Dapat! Oh!
Number 23, pinasa kay Lars for 3.
Low.
Score
Dito pa ako, wait lang, matatapos na to.
for TIT.
Chris, pinali kay Arnel. Arnel, get up the ball to number
Ano na?
15.
Walang signal dito.
To number 15.
10 to shoot.
Kasama ka kita, paano na wala naman signal?
8,
Wala nga rin.
2 points by Arnel.
Sino ba?
Kaya kasi kaya ginagamit ko
Foul
nga.
rep.
Sino ba?
Postal rep.
Number 23, foul. Score 37-26. Favor of PIT.
Remaining time, 4 minutes and 26 seconds.
Bonus shot.
Bonus shot.
Proper scores.
Number 7 to number 20. Number 23, get up the ball. Pinasok, tumira. Basket. 2 points by number 23.
Score 28-37.
Number 11, get up the ball. To number 15. To Chris.
15 seconds shot clock.
To number 15. Tumira, no basket. Again. 2 points, 2 basket again. To Chris. Chris, tumira. No basket again. Tumira again to number 11. Basket. 2 points by number 11.
Last 3 minutes and 40 seconds. Score 39-28. Favor of TIT.
Gas. Agas, tumira again. Agas. No basket.
Nawili ka, Kas.
Foul by number 11.
13 foul. 13 foul.
13 foul now. At
Ano lang ito?
13 fouls.
3 minutes 31 seconds.
3
3 minutes and 31 seconds.
for the end of the second quarter. Then you shoot down.
Ikas!
5, 4,
3 points, no basket. Number 23, tumira, no basket
Hey,
again.
set lock!
Again.
Dito! Wala na, wala na. Set lock, set
Shot
lock.
clock na lang. Arnel, pick up the ball. Arnel, naghahanap ng malusuta.
What's up?
last 3 minutes and 5
Arnel,
seconds.
no basket.
Score 39-28.
Pwesto ka lang, par. Pwesto ka lang. Huwag ka nang
Number 7,
Pwesto ka lang.
pinasa kay Lakay. Lakay, pick up the ball.
15 seconds of clock.
Nagpasahan si Lakay. Pass to number 4, 4 for 3, no basket.
Wala yun.
Angas! Angas! Ay, puta ka na.
Ball. PIT. Arnel. To number 11. Number 11. Nakuha. To Lakay. Lakay for Gas. Gas for 2. No basket. Chris. Chris. Chris on the ball.
Pero naka 3 point yan.
Chris, tumira ng 3. Good.
Naka 3 point si Kasi kapapasok lang. Isa lang?
2 minutes and 15 seconds.
Foul. Foul by number 6, Arnel Brato.
Sub daw, sub!
Warning for penalty.
Sub daw, sub!
Warning! Warning! Warning penalty! Last 2 minutes and 14 seconds.
Score 39-28. Favor of PIT. Number 23. Foul. Foul down. Foul down to number 15.
Penalty.
Penalty. Remaining time 2 minutes and 12 seconds for the end of the second quarter. First free shoot.
Go no! Oh no!
Yes.
Labas na! Labas na!
Ready. Foul down.
Rebound.
Kaya na mamaya na nag-video pa ako.
Ano tawag doon? Ano tawag doon? Sino foul?
Aten. To Chris. Chris. Naghahanap ng pasahan. Chris for 3. No basket. Shoot. 2 points by Arnel. Number 23. Number 23. No
Last 1 minute and 45 seconds.
Lakay for 3 points by Lakay. Remaining time 1 minute and 35 seconds. Score 41-32 in the favor of PIT. Arnel. Di ba ba? Arnel again for 2. No basket. Number 11. Tumira basket. 2 points. Number 23. Pumasok. 15 to shoot. 15 to shoot. 2 points.
That's 1 minute.
Last 1 minute.
Nice, nice D, nice D.
Chris. Pinasa kay number 11.
10 seconds to shoot.
Tumira ng Chris. Not good. Pinasa ni number 3. 7. To Lakay. Lakay.
Last 25 seconds.
No basket. Last 30 seconds.
Wala na.
Score 43-34. Favor of PIT.
Penalty.
30 minutes ang natitira.
Penalty.
Oras.
Penalty.
Penalty daw.
Last 30 seconds. Score 43-34. Players, takin po tayo ha.
Lingaw ba?
Takin.
Wait lang.
Takin.
Then shoot, takin daw!
43-34.
Favor of PIT.
Patawa mo. Doon yung video na sa taas. Ayun.
Last period.
Nakano ko na doon sa taas. Ano na?
7. Last 25 seconds.
Tumira si number 4 to basket. Rebound by Anel. Anel, nagmamadali. Anel, nagmamadali.
Last 15 seconds. Sino ba out? Last 14 seconds.
Anel, 2 points by Anel. Sinuwagin, 2 points by Tito Cayo.
Last 10 seconds.
8,
47-34.
7, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 47-34 for the end of the second quarter. Start with third quarter.
Okay, third quarter.
16. Pushet number 17.
Diyan ka lang.
Tama shoot.
So direct foul.
Third personal foul.
Doon sa Photoshop na ito.
Bakit kinakabahan ka din, Syo? Bakit kinakabahan ka din, Syo?
Baba mo yung damit ko.
Lakas magdasal eh. Siya lang nakapaul eh.
Score 47-34.
Sir Mark. Ayun, tawa-tawa si Densyo. Kahit dalawa kayo magsama eh. Parang isa lang din siya. Tawa-tawa.
1 point. Number 17. Sir Ricky, pinasa kay Chris. Chris tumira. Low basket. Foul by number 17. Number 17, tumira. No basket. Rebound by number 4. Tumira. Basket. 2 points by number 4. 37-47 the score. Favor of PIT. Chris to Sir Tons, to Hawil. Hawil, binalik kay Sir Tons. Sir Tons, tumira.
Densyo, nakuha ka na naman sa galit eh. Wala naman eh.
17.
Sa baba. Ah, yan, tama. Galing mo talaga Densyo. Kaya sa'yo ako eh.
Chris to Regala. Hawil tumira ng 3.
Burger ha?
Rebound by Mark. Mark with the ball. Mark for 2. No basket. Rebound by Regala. To Chris. Chris with the ball. Naghahanap na pasahan. Pinasa kay Sir Tons. Tons for 2. No basket. Verse 16. Field of the ball. Nasa kay Sir Mark. Sir Mark.
Hindi ko lang nakita kung gano'n ka pwede.
Number 16.
Nakita na eh.
Tunor Basa, to basket. Assemble. Score 47-37. Favor of PIT. Remaining time 8 minutes and 25 seconds for the end of the third quarter.
Cute lang bitaw. Pinabitaw.
Again, no basket.
Ayaw talaga.
Or 10 second shot clock. Or 10 second shot clock. Number 17, Tumira, no basket. Lemuel, rebound by Lemuel.
Tira!
Lemuel, naghahanap ng malusog.
Kickboy na Royal.
Tumira, no basket. Rebound by Regala. Regala to Hawil.
Sayang yun, boy kickboy.
Hawil, bila the ball.
Paraya saktor ang tutang. Paraya saktor. Paraya saktor ang tutang.
Sabay boy.
Sabay
na Royal. Kasi mo kay Pacboy.
Ay, wala pa.
Pacboy, nagdadala ng bola.
Lemuel.
Tirador,
Lemuel,
tambado.
naghahanap ng pasada.
Sarap ng bola.
10 seconds.
Pinasa.
17, Tumera, no basket. Basket, 2 points by Troopers. Score 47-39.
Busi, may busi.
Remaining time 7 minutes and 25 seconds.
Ano na?
Hawil to Chris.
Ano?
To Regala. Regala, back to Hawil. Hawil, lumusot, tumira ng 2, basket. 2 points by Hawil. Score 49-39. Shout out. 2 points.
Basic lang.
2 points by Troopers.
41-39.
Time out by foul by Troopers.
Technical. Technical.
Remaining time 6 minutes and 56 seconds.
Technical. Legal.
Isang shot ba?
Labas. Ano kay Gas? Pati Gas yan, ang away yan. Technical.
Ito nung kala ko narulang-ulang.
Nakakalawa yung tao.
Points.
Score, 50-41. Oras, 6 minutes and 56 seconds in third quarter. Alright.
2 points. 2 points by Roderick. Mark. Score 41. Lamang ng 8.
15 seconds shot clock.
Gas, tumira ng 3, no basket. Bola na Troopers. Ay, PIT pala, sorry. 15 to Emelton. Emelton, tumira, no basket. Rebound by Roderick. 2 points by Roderick.
Ready ng Paula puta.
Number 17. Tumusok. Rebound by Sir Mark. Sir Mark tumira, no basket. Kinuha ni Sir Don. Pinasa kay Hawil. Hawil lumusot, tumira, no basket again. Hawil, no basket again.
Oh, Shawil!
Hawil.
Nice one. Kitang-kita eh. Kitang-kita. Hindi kami nakikita.
Foul, Hawil. Lemuel. To Mark. To Gas. Gas, tumira ng 3, no basket. Rebound by Regala to Hawil. Hawil to Chris. Tumira ng 3, no basket. Kinuha ni Emerton. Emerton, Roderick, 2 points. Score 56-41, favor of PIP. Remaining time, 5 minutes and 30 seconds. Lemuel, best of the ball. To number 17. Number 17, tumira ng 2, no basket. Then the shoot to number 4. Number 4, naghanap ng basa, tumira ng 3, no basket again. Bola ng PIP. Sabit. Remaining time, 5 minutes and 12 seconds for the end of the third quarter. Score 56-41, favor of PIP. Emerton to Rigada to Roderick. 2 points for Roderick to basket. By Lemuel, rebound by Lemuel. Lemuel, build up the ball. To Mark. Back to Mark. For 3, no basket. Verse 17, tumira, no basket again. By Rigada, Emerton. Emerton, tumira ng 2, no basket. Rebound by number 4.
Last 4 minutes and 25 seconds.
Time out. Time out daw yung TIT.
Time out, TIT.
TIT time out. Score 56-41. 4 minutes and 22 seconds remaining time.
Sa kanila, time out lang, time out. Time out lang, time out. Bola dito. Sa amin. Bola dito. Sa amin, player. Nakashot player. Direct sa amin.
Referee goal daw.
Napagaling nyo kayong laro.
Kaya nga. Matapos na.
Lakay, lumusot, tumira ng 2, no basket. Rebound by Palo. Palo to Emerton. Emerton, nagmamadali, tumira ng 2. Emerton, 2 points by Emerton. 59-41 score. Favor of PIP. Sir Mark to number 17. To number 10. To 23, tumira ng 2, no basket. Out. Ball of PIP.
Yung giyabang di ba napakita kahit isa ba?
Remaining time, 3 minutes and 40 seconds to the end of the third quarter. Emerton, deal of the ball. Rigala for 2, no basket. Rebound by Emerton again.
5 seconds on clock.
5 seconds.
3, 2, 1.
3 points. Out of the 3 minutes and 25 seconds remaining time. 62-41. Favor of PIP.
Mamaya na.
Mark to Lakay. Lakay tumira ng 3. Basket. 3 points for Lakay.
Lakay!
Emerton. To Rigala. Rigala to Roderick out. Ball of
Last 3 minutes.
last 3 minutes. Remaining time 2 minutes and 50 seconds. Score 62-44. 44. Member of PIP. Lakay. Lakay. Nagaw ni Awil. Awil for 3. Not basket. Rebound by Mark. Mark to Lakay. Lakay to number 17. Tumira ng 2. No basket. Rebound by Roderick. Roderick to Hawil. Hawil to Emerton. Emerton tumira ng 2. No basket. Foul.
Wala, out of shooting. Wala.
Foul daw, number 17.
Baba.
17 out. Emerton to Hawin. To Regala. To Talo. Talo for 2 basket. 2 points by Talo. By Palo. Score 64-44. Favor of
Last
KC.
2 minutes. Stepping.
Talo. To Regala. To Roderick. Roderick. Foul by number 10.
Wala.
Baba. Penalty na.
The remaining time.
Time out.
Remaining time, 1 minute and 35 seconds for the end of the third quarter. Score 64-44, favor of PIT.
Okay, matatapos ng third quarter. 1 minute na lang mahigit.
Emerton, Hawin. Tupano. To Hawin for 3, no basket. Rebound by number 17. 7 pala, sorry. Nakuha ni Sir Emerton. By Palo for 2, no basket. Nakuha ni number 23. Number 23, nagpapadali. Simple.
16 seconds, shot lang.
Number 20.
Then to shoot. 7,
4.
6,
Number 4.
4, 3, 2,
Roderick.
Wala pa talaga yun, wala pa. Hindi pa tumama. Doon pa sa loob ng ano.
Number 7 to number 23. Men of the ball. Nakuha ni Awil. Kinuha ni Palo.
Traveling.
Traveling. Number 7 to number 23. Number
30 seconds.
Nakuha ni Awil, ni Emerton, Tupano, maluwag, pinasok, tumira ng 2 points by
20
Palo.
seconds.
Score 64-44. Ay, 66-44.
13 seconds.
Seconds.
10,
10, 9, 8, 7. Foul number 7.
Warning.
7 seconds.
5,
4, 3, 2, 1. Score 66-44. Favor of PIT for the end of the third quarter.
Fourth quarter.
To Chris Santillan. To Palo. To Roderick. Number 11. To Emerton for 3. Basket. 3 points for Emerton. 69-44 score. Wow.
Relax.
Hello.
Lakay.
Hello.
Lakay, naghanap ng isa.
Mamaya na nga kayo
Ten
naman
seconds
dito.
left.
Usapan na naman natin nila ng Rico dito. Hindi na naman yung laro. Mamaya na, mamaya na.
Foul. Number 23.
Kaya pala umatras ka.
Hindi naman naniwala
Wala bang technical
sa
doon?
isa bumabagsak.
Ano?
Yun ang signal dito sa baba, wala.
Kaya pala umatras siya. Sige, napahalan sa puto. Pusaw, hold.
Santillan to Hamilton. Hamilton to Roderick. Out.
Hello. Hello.
To number
Kaya na nga, dito
7.
mga ano dito.
Pinasa kay number 4. Number 4, lumusot. Tumira ng dos. Not counted. Rebound by Santillan to Hamilton. Hamilton for 2.
Ayusin mo na.
Ilang lang, ilang.
Dali ka talaga siya pa.
To Hamilton, Santillan to Hamilton. Hamilton, binalik kay Santillan, tumila ng 3. Not counted. Okay.
Jumper pa rin eh. Sino mo?
Halo to Hamilton. Hamilton, lumusot. Nakuha ni number 11 again. To number 17. 17, nagmamadali, pinasa kay Lakay, tumira ng 2, basket. 2 points by Lakay. 69-46, favor of PIP. Remaining time, 8 minutes and 5 seconds. Palo, lumusot, tumira ng 2, again, 2 points by Palo. 71-46. Nakuha ni Hamilton. Hamilton to number 11. Back to Hamilton. 2 points by Hamilton. Score 73-46. Remaining time 7 minutes and 36 seconds. Palo, lumusot, tumira ng 2. One counted, one counted out. Remaining time 7 minutes and 34 seconds. Palo.
Wala pa ng cellphone dito, yung may number lang. May WhatsApp.
Number 4.
Doon yung isa.
To number 70.
At-charge.
To number 23. To Lakay. Tumira ng 2 basket by Lakay. 75-48. Hamilton. They have the ball. To number 11. Back to Hamilton. Hamilton. Lumusot. Tinira kay ay pinasa kay Roderick. To Santillan. Number 11. Back to Santillan. 3, 2, 1. Ganyak.
Tagal. Hindi na sila. Shot ka.
Shot clock.
Baba.
Time out. Hamilton, dead to shoot. Roderick. Number 11. Not counted. Again, 11 again. To Roderick. 2 points by Roderick. Roderick again. Nagmamadali, tinira ng dos. 2 points again by Roderick. Scores 59-48. Member of PIP. Remaining time 6 minutes and 15 seconds. Number 4, nagmamadali, tumira. Not counted. Rebound by Roderick. Roderick to Emelton. Emelton, nagmamadali, pinasa kay Palo, tumira ng dos, basket. 2 points by Palo. Score 81-48. Remaining time 5 minutes and 53 seconds.
15 to shoot.
Rebound by Emelton to Roderick. Roderick maluwag, tumira ng dos, basket again. 2 points by Roderick.
5 minutes and 35 seconds. Time out!
Wala signal nga rito. Wala signal dito, kaya dun sa isa bumabagsak.
Score 83-48.
Number 7 to number 15. Bulakay.
Debes, kabilang ko ng dama kung sino diba? Lapak? Cut one.
Nasa kay Lakay. Lakay, still on the ball. Then shoot. Basket. 15 to 11. Tumira ng dos. Kundi nakahawak naman. Nakahawak naman sa ano. Two shots by
Inam, salsal.
last shoot. Ready. About 10 again by Renz. About 10 again. Rebound by Roderick. Roderick tumira ng 3. Points by Roderick.
Dali, may club car!
Score 86-40. Remaining times 4 minutes and 22 seconds. Renz tumira ng dos. Basket, 2 points by Renz. Lakay. Naghanap ng malulusutan.
Foul.
Foul by
Second regular foul. Second team foul.
Lakay.
10 to shoot.
Pinasa kay Roderick. Roderick nagmamadali. Tumira ng dos. Basket. 2 points by Roderick. Number
Last 3 minutes and 40 seconds.
there on the ball. Tumira ng 3. Basket. 3 points. 2 points by Arnel. Score 92-48. Favor of PIT. 3 minutes and 19 seconds for the end of the fourth quarter. Pinasa 17. Last 3 minutes.
Ikaw ang walang bantay, di mo itira. Ikaw walang bantay, pare.
Santillan. Santillan, Torres, tumira ng dos. Again. 2 points by Reds. Number 17 to 17.
2 minutes and 30 seconds.
Tulakay. Nagaw ni Santillan to Arnel. Arnel tumira ng dos. Basket. Rebound by number 17. Tulakay. Tumira ng 3 si Lakay. Not counted.
Bawal magpura.
Score 94-48. Remaining time. Last remaining time 1 minute and 49 seconds. Rebound by Roderick. Tumira ng dos. No basket by number 17. To Renz. Pinuha na Renz. To Arnel. To Roderick. 2 points.
1 minute and 20 seconds.
Nakuha ni Santillan. Tumira ng 3. No basket. Pinasa kay number 17. Number 17. Pinasa kay Lakay.
Last 1 minute and 9
seconds. Score 90-48. Favor of PIB. To Lakay. Lakay to number 7 for 2 for 3. No counted. Santillan, build up the ball. Santillan to Arnel. Arnel for 2 basket. 2 points by Arnel.
Last 45 seconds. Score 148.
148. For number 17 to number 17 again. 2 points.
Anong score?
150. 150.
100.
Wah,
100 PIT Troopers 50. Arnel. Out.
mukhang nagkakatambakan dito ah.
Number 17, maluwag. Tumira ng dos. Basket. 2 points by number 17.
15 seconds.
Last 15 seconds. 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, counted. 2, 1, 0.
Grabing laban yun ah.